There are two things that you need in your business each and every day: leads and sales. They're vital to your existence. And in this video today, we're going to talk about exactly how to do both. Hi, I'm Reggie Pegues, the Prospering Dad. Welcome to Motivation, Mindset, and Marketing, where entrepreneurs come to thrive. Prospering Dad TV. If you're looking to get more strategies and hacks and ideas on how to build a successful business online, then you want to go right over here and you want to hit the subscribe button and hit the notification button as well to make sure you're up on the latest updates. Today, let's talk about the best ways to get leads into your business. Attraction marketing formula for beginners. This is key stuff. So I want you to make sure that you get your pad out, take copious notes, because what I'm going to share with you today are going to be the foundational principles that you need to build a successful business online. First thing that we need to understand, it's a 3-step process that you really need to have foundationally to be successful online. After you have chosen your particular platform that you want to build your business on, and you've studied the policies and community rules and regulations on how to promote your business on that platform, there are 3 things that you really need to do. Now, I know that you're excited. You just started your business. You just got into this opportunity, and you're so anxious to get started because you really got into it because you want to earn money. I understand that. But you have to realize that there are basic principles and foundational rules that you have to know if you're really going to be successful. Look at some of the successful people that may be in your company or in the industry at large. They all understand and go by the principles I'm about to share with you today. Principle number 1. If you're going to build a business online, the first thing that you need to do is you need to build your audience. And you might be saying, how do I build my audience online? You build your audience by knowing exactly who it is that you want to do business with. You do it by knowing exactly who your niche is, where they hang out on social media. Now, this is going to require doing a little bit of research, and I understand, because when I first started, I just wanted to share my links and get people to buy my stuff. But it wasn't happening the way that I expected it to do. So what you can do is, if you can save yourself the time and invest in doing the research and being resourceful and learning how to leverage these tips that I'm going to share with you, it's going to save you a lot of time. So building your audience is key, because after all, if you're just brand new to this company, opportunity, or the industry, nobody knows that you're in business. And why should they care? So you have to build your know, like, and trust factor by going in, and you can use Facebook groups that are geared to your niche. Let's say, for example, if it's travel, you can go online and join travel groups and not just get into the group and start pitching your links and say, buy my stuff, because everybody in the group is doing pretty much the same thing. But if you can go into the group and begin to start conversations and just maybe comment on someone's post, or you can even just find travel groups of people who are not in the industry, people who are possibly just looking for great deals and looking for vacations and looking for you and what it is that you have to offer. So you have to build your audience. The second thing that you can do to build your audience is when you do create a post, if somebody responds by giving you a reaction, a thumbs, a like on your post, or if they comment, don't immediately just rush in and try to pitch them and sell them. Engage them again in a conversation. Find out what it is that they're looking for. Because, see, people don't necessarily buy what they want. They buy what they want. They buy what they want, but they don't buy what they need. So everybody isn't going to feel compelled to buy what it is that you have. But maybe possibly by building a conversation, building rapport, asking the right questions, you can help them get to the thing that they want. And when they get to the thing that they want, then you can encompass that and surround it by what it is that they need. And what I mean by what they need is, if they want to take a vacation, but they need information on how to find the best vacation for the best price, then that's how you can create that dialogue. And then it puts you in a position where you become the authority in that niche, and to those people. So you want to build an audience. And the key thing to building an audience is give value. You want to give a lot of value, a lot of free value. One of the things that new entrepreneurs are hesitant to do is to give information. And that's what people want. If you can find out, say for example, if it's weight loss, if a person wants to lose 20 pounds in 30 days, you can try to pitch your shake or your diet pills or your detox tea or whatever it is. But if you give them value, such as showing them how they can lose the 20 pounds in 30 days without having to go to the gym, or you can offer them just diet plans of how to reduce sugar out of their diet or cut down eating white starches. You can give them information. They want to lose the weight, but they may not feel that they need to lose the weight, or they need to use your product to do it. So when you're building your audience, you want to give value. You want to be clear on who it is that you want to do business with in terms of building your audience. If you're, there's this marketing quote that goes, if you're selling to everybody, you're selling to nobody. So you want to be specific. You don't need everyone. You just need the people who are looking for you and looking for your product. And you want to sell people what they want. Because people, as I said, people, they buy what they want, not necessarily what they need. So you want to be able to sell them what it is that they want. If they want to lose weight, sell them on the idea of losing weight. If they want to take a vacation, sell them on taking the vacation. And once they have accepted that you are in tune with what it is that they want, then you can introduce what they need. And that's basically solving their problem and giving them a solution to what it is that they need. The second tip is, once you do, and we talked about this a little bit already, but once you have built that contact, because that's what we do. We want to connect with people. We want to build connections. We don't just want to sell, just don't want to pitch. Again, as I always say in my videos, people love to buy, but they hate to be sold. Think about yourself. Think about what it is that turns you off. Don't turn into that person in terms of your business. You want to take people into consideration. You want to understand people more than you want to be understood. So what do I mean by that? We generally want to just tell people what it is that we're doing. But if you can reverse that mindset and get people to a place where they feel that you understand what they want and you want to help them to attain the thing that they want, then you have won more than half the battle. And all you have to do is just give them value, supply them the information that they're looking for, point them in the right direction, and then now they become a prospect, a customer, or even a partner in your business. So you want to be clear about who it is that you want to do business with. I don't do business with everybody. I used to be like that. I used to want to have everybody. I thought everybody needed my product. But when I realized it was more important for me to share with people what they wanted. Because selling is very simple. Find out what people want and give it to them. It's just that simple. We make it more complicated because a lot of people don't understand my marketing and the different things that go into it. But when you really boilerplate it down, make it very simple. You find out what people want and you give it to them. So you want to engage your audience. Build a conversation. Now, does this take a little bit of time? Yes. Do you need to develop and learn the skills that are necessary? Yes. And I want you to go and check out my video about how to create leads. It's up at the top as a suggested video. Be sure to click that link so you can watch my next video that will help you. And also you can go into the comments. There are some links there in the comments that are going to help you generate more leads, know how to create conversations, how to be a good storyteller. All these different elements will help you build your business when you're engaging with your audience. And then once you've done step 1 and step 2, build your audience and then engage with your audience, step 3 becomes relatively simple. Once you've done 1 and 2, step 3 is sell to your audience. Once you've done step 1 and 2, like I said, it becomes easier to sell to your audience. Why? Because you built your know, like, and trust factor. They like what you're saying and what you're doing, and they think and believe that you are on their side because you're helping them to solve a problem. So when you do that, it makes it so much easier. when you use attraction marketing, if you're not aware of it, attraction marketing is when you can attract people to you as opposed to you chasing everyone down. I know that your company told you that you need to go to the mall, be in the shopping mall, make your 100 list of people that you know, call everybody you know, and just be a nuisance and an annoyance. And that works for some people. I'm not going to say that that doesn't work, but does it work for you? Wouldn't it be a lot easier if you knew and learned the skills to attract people to you as opposed to having to chase people down, where you became the hunted instead of being the hunter? And again, if you go into the descriptions, I have some links there that will help you do exactly that. Okay? So, you want to build your audience. That's number one. That's one of the best ways to build and get and create leads and generate leads. You want to build your audience first. You cannot create a lead if you don't have an audience. If you're going to these promotion groups and you're just, pitching your link and putting images up and you're doing everything that everybody else is doing, you're not going to stand out. So you want to do things. Again, go into the description box and check out some of the links that I have there. It's going to help you get a clear understanding. It's free content there, and it's going to help you get a better understanding how to do this. When you learn how to build, engage, and sell, then you will start seeing the results that you want to have in your business. I want you to understand also that you need to be patient. Be patient with yourself. This takes time. If you're brand new to building a business and you've never built a business before, it's not going to happen overnight. Rome wasn't built in a day. Generally, particularly when you come into the online space with no skills, it can take anywhere to 2 to 2.5 years, depending on you and your work ethic and how bad you really want it to really build a successful business. Are there rock stars? Are you the one that can do it in less time? Sure, absolutely. I believe in you. But it's because of how much you are going to be dedicated and committed to making it happen. So when you're doing that, you'll move your business forward. So again, if you're brand new, I want you to go over here, hit the subscribe button here, hit the notification button so you can get my latest updates to this channel. More importantly, go to the description box, check out the links that I got there for you with more free content, more free information that's going to help you build your business and get the results you want today. So, I hope that you got some value. Drop me a comment, please. Subscribe, like this video, comment on this video so I can help you get the results that you want. Any questions that you have, drop them in the comments also. I'll greatly appreciate it, and I'll get back to you as soon as I see your comment. So that's all I got right now. Hope that you're having a great day, and I'll talk to you again in my next video.